Hello YouTubers, this is Joe Rabon here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This morning I was just on the phone to my dad, and this arrived in the post, and I'm going to do an unboxing video today. I have rubbed up my address so you can't see where I live, obviously. So yeah, just give me a few seconds to put my camera down, and I'm going to unbox it for you now. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, yes, it's what I expected. It's a Victorinox Swiss Army knife, which I ordered off Amazon, and it's very early actually. It was supposed to come this Wednesday, but it's very early, and I do like it. Very nice. In the package, I have something about audible.com. And some more vouchers. So give me another few seconds and I'm just going to open this and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is my new knife I'm going to be using for hunting, so fishing, etc. Really well boxed, really well packed. I wouldn't say the packaging was very good. I mean, it came in this little box and then this big box here. So obviously they could have maybe wrapped it a bit better. But all in all, it looks a very good quality knife. I'm just going to open the blade a second. So this is the first blade here. It's quite sharp. It's quite nice. So yeah. See how sharp that is. Okay, that's the big knife. So I'm going to be using more or less. Okay. And on here as well I have a little, looks like to be like a bottle opener / a flathead screwdriver. I also have a bottle opener for when I want a glass of wine. I also have a smaller knife blade here, which is actually really nice, very sharp again. What else do I have? Oh, I never knew I had a pair of these. On my other one, I never had a pair of these. I have something like scissory, pruny thingies. Scissors, I think they are. I never liked the springs on these. So, yeah. I have a toothpick. I have a toothpick there. And I believe on the other side I will have, yes, a pair of like needle what they called, blimmin' heck, like little pick-you-uppy things. I'm just going to call them that for now. It's still very early in the morning, guys. What else have I got on this little handy gadget of mine? I have another like tool here. I'm not too sure on what that is. So if anybody could if you can see this, and somebody does know what it is, if they could comment down below, I would really appreciate you telling me. It's one of those needly things. I don't know what they are, the ones I couldn't name. It'll probably come to me when I finish this video. Yeah, I can't see much else, but I'm just going to double check a second. I'll just put my camera down again. And I think we are done. No, actually, no, sorry, we're not done yet. We have another little gadget, I think. No, actually, no, that is all. Sorry. My bad. I was looking at the same